it was tantrum time. My son wanted a cupcake that wasn't his, and so he was like writhing on the floor, screaming. I did my best to offer empathy, validation, support, but he wanted none of it. He just wanted that damn cupcake. So I started making dinner, and I walked over a couple times to offer more support, but each time I was rejected. And that's okay, because I realized he's just got some stuff that he needs to work through. And he did. 5 minutes later, and after a good amount of screaming, he was sitting with his sisters building with Legos. What mattered most was that I was able to keep my cool, which is something that I've been working on for years. In the past, it was typical for me to get upset when I saw that they were upset, which just ended up adding fuel to the fire. But my work has been paying off because I'm much more able to show up as the parent that I want to be when things get loud and messy. If you're seeking this kind of growth and you're ready to put in the work, join me and my wife in our new education and support group that we're calling the Happy Human Collective. She's a pediatric occupational therapist, and I'm a doctor of educational psychology. We host live workshops, we facilitate weekly challenges, and we basically have our own social media feed and private text threads where we can all just really connect. So join us and other dedicated caregivers on our mission to be better for our families and ourselves. Check out our link in bio or go to happyhumanlife.org to learn more.